The DB331 is primarily used for a drill and blast machine. We're able to drill a oversized rock, whether that be in a draw point or a hang up or in an open stope. And then we're able to insert an explosive cartridge into that oversized rock, retreat to a safe area and blow the rock up. The DB331 is used around a lot of block caves, especially in high hang up situations where there's a danger of an inrush or a mud rush. We're able to remove the people out of those draw points.
This machine enables tele-remote operation, line of sight remote operation and full manual modes. Teleremote technology will improve operator safety by being able to move them further away from that danger zone where the machines are actually operating, back to a more controlled and safer location to do this work.
Underground mining by nature is a harsh environment. Secondary braking is a relatively high-risk task. So putting the machine into a hazardous environment and being able to take the operator away from that area is certainly a value add for the customer. One of the main ambitions that we had with the UFR offering when we brought it into the Sandvik family was to provide teleremote and autonomous capabilities for non-intelligent machines, or I-series machines as we call them in the Sandvik world.
The UFR is known for our speed and agility. Sandvik was really excited to create a fully teleremote version of the DB331 that is able to integrate under Sandvik's ACS3 safety system, as well as into AutoMine core.
Removing people from the underground is the biggest value here, being able to provide these capabilities where we can operate at distance then from those hazardous areas.
Using the synergies between the companies with Sandvik and UFR, we were able to really rapidly develop this. The two teams worked across the globe in order to build the retrofit kit here in Brisbane and able to deliver that globally to customers.
Being able to take them on the journey from fully manual to line of sight to teleremote and then eventually fully autonomous equipment. We're happy to meet the customer at whatever level of automation that they are comfortable with as they're progressing on their zero-entry journey. To discover more, head to universalfieldrobots.com.au.